What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video with me. My name is Vicky B. If you are new or just passing through, welcome. This video is going to be on this look right here. So if you are interested in how I got the results, go ahead and keep on watching. So I'm starting off with my face today instead of my eyes. I'm using my NARS foundation. That's going to be in the shade medium dark Cadiz. And I'm just going to blend that out all over my face. For concealer and highlight, I'm going to be using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Butterscotch and my Tarte Shape Tape concealer in the shade Medium Tan Sand. And I'm just going to be putting that in the areas that I want to highlight. For contour, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Truffle. And then to set my highlight and concealer, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Powder in the shade Banana. Now I'm going to be going into my James Charles palette, and I'm going to be using this purple shade. I'm going to be doing like a half cut crease, kind of, sort of. So I'm going to start this on the inner corner of my eye, and then I'm going to take it up till I get to like the high end of my brow, and I'm gonna stop right there. And then I'm gonna take this pink shade and I'm gonna smoke that out at the top. Then I'm using my P. Louise Base Rumor 4, and I'm going to be using that to cut my crease. And then I am going to be taking that purple shade again, and I'm gonna be doing it like I'm doing a wing liner on the bottom of my eye. So I'm gonna be using the purple shade first to shape out the wing liner, and then I'm gonna be using the pink shade to smoke it out. And then I'm gonna be using this iridescent white shade or white eyeshadow that's in this palette. I'm gonna be placing that in the center of my eyelid. I'm going to be taking some dual lash glue, and I'm going to put that over that eyeshadow because I'm going to be adding some glitter. The glitter I have is from NYX Cosmetics. Once I'm done, I'm going to clean that wing up with my concealer, and I'm going to be smoking out my under eye with that purple shade first and then with the pink. In my inner corner, I did decide to put that iridescent white eyeshadow. I'm going to be using some mascara for my lower lashes, and then I'm going to go back and finish my face. To go over my bronzer, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Stalk'r bronzer in the shade Caramel Cutie. For blush, I'm going to go in with the Juvia's Place Blush Volume 2 palette, and I'm using the purple and pink shade mixed together. I'm putting that on my cheeks, and I'm also going to be putting that on my nose as well. For highlight, I'm using the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in the shade Purple Dream. For my lips, I'm using my NYX Cosmetics Lip Liner in the shade Clubhopper. And then for my lipstick, I'm going to be using the NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick in the shade Lace Detail. And then to go on top of that, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss, and this is in the shade Venus. So that is it for this look. Thank you all so much for tuning in. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe while you're down there. And I'll see you all in the next video. Stay safe, stay blessed, and stay you. Bye.